Do mornings feel busy and stressful to you? Your mornings are not broken, they just need a simple routine. Today, you will be learning 20 simple phrases for your mornings. We will be saying everything slowly and clearly in this video. Your mornings will become much easier after this lesson. Let's begin this peaceful morning routine today. Grab your coffee and let's begin. Hello, my friend. Welcome to DAGU English. My voice is always here to help you learn something new. We can learn slowly. We can learn clearly. We can learn together. If this is your first time here, you are most warmly welcome. Make sure to give this channel a subscribe button down below the video. It will give me motivation to keep making videos for you. New lessons come out every week, and they are all for you. Now, let's learn your morning phrases, shall we? Sit comfortably, and let's get started.
Part 1. Bedroom. Let's begin our morning in the bedroom. This is where it all begins. Number 1. I wake up. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I wake up early in the morning. Let's repeat after me slowly and steadily. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Wonderful. Number 2. I make my bed. I make my bed every morning. My bedroom looks so nice and clean. Let's repeat after me. I make my bed every morning. Excellent. Number 3. I do exercise. I do exercise for 10 minutes.
Morning exercise makes me strong. Let's repeat after me. I do exercise for 10 minutes. Great job. Number 4. I get dressed. I get dressed for work. My clothes are all clean and ready. Let's repeat after me. I get dressed for work. Perfect. Now let's go to the bathroom. We will get fresh and clean. Number 5. I brush my teeth. Now let's repeat. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I use a toothbrush and toothpaste. Let's repeat after me. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Wonderful. Number 6. I wash my face. I wash my face with cold water. Cold water wakes me up quickly. Let's repeat after me. I wash my face with cold water. Beautiful. Number 7. I take a shower. I take a quick shower in the morning. I feel clean after my shower. Let's repeat after me. I take a quick shower. Nice.
Part 3. Kitchen. Next, let's go to the kitchen. This is our next morning stop. Number 8. I make coffee. I make hot coffee every morning. The coffee always smells amazing. Let's repeat after me. I make hot coffee every morning. Excellent. Number 9. I eat breakfast. I eat a healthy breakfast. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. Let's repeat after me. I eat a healthy breakfast. Wonderful. Number 10. I water the plants. I water my plants every morning. The plants look so healthy and green. Let's repeat after me. I water my plants every morning. Great. Part 4. Plan your day. A simple morning needs a simple plan. Number 11. I check my phone. I check my messages in the morning. I check the time and the weather. Let's repeat after me. I check my messages in the morning. Good. Number 12. I plan my day. I write my plan in a notebook. It helps me to be more organized. Let's repeat after me. I write my plan in a notebook. Perfect. Number 13. I read for 10 minutes. I read for 10 minutes every morning. Reading helps me learn new words every day. Let's repeat after me. I read for 10 minutes every morning. Beautiful. Number 14. I listen to music. I listen to happy music in the morning. Music makes my morning extra special. Let's repeat after me. I listen to happy music in the morning. Lovely.
Part 5. Leaving. Let's finish strong. Number 15. I walk my dog. I walk my dog in the park. The morning air is so fresh and clean. Let's repeat after me. I walk my dog in the park. Wonderful. Number 16. I pack my bag. I pack my bag for work. Everything is so nicely organized. Let's repeat after me. I pack my bag for work. Excellent. Number 17. I say goodbye to my family. I say goodbye to my family at the door. I say, have a great day. Let's repeat after me. I say goodbye to my family at the door. So sweet. Number 18. I go to work. I go to work at 8 a.m. I am never late for work. Let's repeat after me. I go to work at 8 a.m. Great job. Number 19. I take the bus. I wait for the bus at the bus stop. I sit near the window and enjoy the view. Let's repeat after me. I wait for the bus at the bus stop. Perfect. Number 20. I start my day with a smile. I start my day with a big smile. Today is a beautiful day. Let's repeat after me with a smile on your face. I start my day with a big smile. Beautiful. That is the best phrase of all. Let's say it together. Now let's practice. Say each phrase slowly and clearly. I wake up. I make my bed. I do exercise. I get dressed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a quick shower. I make hot coffee. I eat a healthy breakfast. I water my plants. I check my messages. I plan my day. I read for 10 minutes. I listen to happy music. I walk my dog. I pack my bag. I say goodbye to my family. I go to work. I take the bus. I start my day with a big smile. Wonderful! You just said 20 very helpful phrases for your morning. Now you just have to say them again tomorrow, and they will become second nature. Let's do a quick review of what we learned today. We learned 20 very simple phrases for your morning. We learned phrases for the bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. We also learned phrases for planning and for leaving. That makes quite a complete morning routine for you. Great progress will happen if you are consistent. Thank you very much for learning with me today. I hope your mornings feel more comfortable and confident now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to DAGU English. Leave me a comment below telling me your favorite morning phrase. Do a little practice every day, and progress will come. This is DAGU English, helping you learn with confidence. Take care, and I will see you again soon.